Alright, we are live at the Laura Ingalls Wilder Museum. I've been wanting to go here all my life, and now I can scratch this off my bucket list. Growing up watching Little House on the Prairie, and it was based in based in Walnut Grove, Minnesota, and I just lived only hours from here. It was filmed in Hollywood, California, but this is our Hollywood in Minnesota. This must be Laura Ingalls' place where he grew up. And we'll see if Laura is here. Good morning, Laura. Wakey, 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 wakey time. It's time to get up. It's 8:30 in the morning, or 8:15 in the morning. You should be up by now, getting the cows and livestock fed. This must be the place where... Hey, this doesn't look like Laura Ingalls' home. Yeah, there's a fire station close to their house. Must be Main Street. 311. She lives on 311. Nellie's Cafe must be around here. Granite. These are nice rocks. Alright. I left at 6:15 in the morning or so from Morris, Minnesota. I woke up even before my alarm. Wow, this is a nice rock. It must be granite. This is the side of the house. That's cool how they made it in a way it looks like Laura Ingalls' home. Wow. Wow. Laura Ingalls Wilder. You can find some clothes and books of Laura Ingalls. Sit, relax, and gossip. That's a cool sign. And there's some books. The Beautiful Snow, Pioneer, Girl. Closed Monday, Tuesday. Today it opens at 10, which is about less than 2 hours from here. We love Laura. Laura Ingalls dugout site on the banks of Palm Creek. Nellie's Cafe. I'm still cooking. My pies. 6 a.m.